Hey guys, so we are doing this look today. Stay tuned if you want to, I don't know, learn how I did this. It's pretty easy, so. Okay, so real quick, starting with my eyebrows already done, my eyes already primed, already got all that done. We're just jumping into this one. I might do a voiceover. I don't know. I don't feel like talking, so I'm probably just gonna do a voiceover. Sorry. Anyways, is this bright enough? Let's see. How does that look? Is that better? Much. Alright, so I am taking a Jessup crease brush and I'm just going along with the shade Cute from the Coloured Raine Vivid Pigments and Shadows palette, and I'm just taking that in sort of the shape that I want this. So I'm doing sort of like a, I don't know, like a half teardrop shape from the outer crease to the inner. It's a pretty graphic look that we're doing today. I wanted it to be really, I don't know, a lot of visual impact with this one. Once I've got that sort of shape mapped out on my eyelid here, I'm going in with the shade Vibes and Cute and the same brush and just kind of packing that all over inside that shape, leaving a little bit of Cute sort of buffed out to give it that really nice gradient effect and give me something to sort of layer over. Once I've got the color built up enough, I'm going in with a black shade from my Violet Voss Flamingo eyeshadow palette. It's just the black shade that's in that palette. You could use any black that you have at home. And I'm going in with Perp Smurf from the Coloured Raine Vivids palette, just to sort of make the black not so intense. I'm just taking that on the outer and inner corner of my eye here, just to sort of create a halo eye, kind of, but not really. I wouldn't call this like a true halo eye. I'm not cutting out anything in my crease area or on my lid, just sort of buffing it out, just giving it more of that visual impact, if you will, just darkening up the look.
Designer though, like.
Okay, I cleaned it up so it doesn't look like shit. Shut up! I cleaned up my lines so it doesn't look like complete and utter garbo anymore. I'm going to, at this point in my journey, take the Urban Decay Moon Dust palette. This is old. I kept the packaging because I think the palette looks really nice. Look at that, beautiful, wow. And I'm taking the shade Granite, because you all take me for granite. I'm kidding. Yeah, I'm taking that just on my finger, and I'm gonna go ahead and just pop that right there, center of the lid sort of stuff. Maybe I should have just done glitter liner. It's too late for that, honestly. I shouldn't have these thoughts. I feel like that looks fine, right? Yeah, that looks good. Kind of. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna add some eyeliner and check back in with you guys when we're all done. Okay? Yeah, let's do that. So now that I've got that glitter applied, I'm going to go ahead and take those same colors on pencil brushes and just go over the lash line here so that the colors continue under my eye. And so I'm starting off with Cute, going down through with Vibes and Perp Smurf, and then I am finishing up with that same black eyeshadow. And then I'm going in with my NYX Epic Ink liner, and I'm just doing some really quick liner for this. And my wing is following the shape of the actual eye look as well, so they kind of match. So I'm gonna do some up close, and then I'm hopefully gonna do some outfit pictures, because why not? I forgot lashes. Oh no. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, even though, I don't know, I feel like I wasn't even in frame for most of it, and who knows, I don't know if this was a good video. Let me get closer so you can kind of see the makeup a little bit better. I really wanted to do something big for Halloween this year. Genuinely, I don't think that's going to happen. So probably next year, who knows, but oh well. Let's try and take a thumbnail, shall we?